Hello, I will help you set up the ZifiLink device and walk you through the steps to connect to high-speed internet. Power on the ZifiLink device using power adapter. Connect the dongles mentioned in the supporting dongle list with the device. This is the supporting dongle list. Connect ZifiLink to the laptop or PC via Wi-Fi or LAN, preferably using LAN. To connect via Wi-Fi, SSID is ZifiLink, and enter the password QWASZX123. Open a browser, Chrome or Firefox, and search zifilink.bond. Now a dashboard appears showing the connected dongles in green. How to check speed? Click on the speed test button on the top right of the dashboard. You will be directed to the speed test page. Click on the Start Test button. Also click on the menu button. For configuration hotspot, log dump, checks updates. If you need our support, you can reach us on 950114040 or email us at support@zifilink.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. ZifiLink Internet Bonding is a new age of browsing. ZifiLink never go offline.